Introducing the modern one-seat chair, where a contemporary design meets the timeless beauty of wood craftsmanship. Cut to footage of artisans working on wood forms in various countries. Crafted by artisans around the world, each chair tells a story of tradition and innovation. Transition to scenes of different cultures accompanied by their distinct voices. From the intricate patterns of Moroccan woodwork to the simplicity of Scandinavian design, every detail is a nod to diverse cultures and their unique aesthetics. Close-up shots of the chair highlighting its features. With its clean lines and ergonomic design, this chair offers not just comfort, but also a statement piece for any modern living space. Montage of people enjoying the chair in different settings. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or hosting guests, this versatile chair adapts to your lifestyle, creating a harmonious blend of form and function. Final shot, the chair in a well-lit room, inviting viewers to learn more. Experience the elegance of the modern one-seat chair, where craftsmanship and culture come together to elevate your home. End screen with brand logo and social media links. Subscribe for more design inspiration and global craftsmanship. In today's video, we'll showcase how different cushion colors and designs can transform the look and feel of a one-seater chair, offering endless possibilities for customization and style. Transition to footage of chairs with bold and vibrant cushion sets. Let's start with bold and vibrant colors. These cushions inject energy and excitement into any space, making a statement and adding a pop of personality to your interior. Showcase chairs with red, yellow, and blue tints. Whether you prefer fiery reds, sunny yellows, or calming blues, these bold hues can instantly uplift the ambiance of your room and create a focal point that commands attention. Transition to footage of chairs with neutral and earthy cushion sets. On the other hand, if you're drawn to a more subdued aesthetic, neutral and earthy tones offer timeless elegance and versatility. Display chairs with beige, gray, and brown cushions. Neutral cushions seamlessly blend with any decor style, providing a sophisticated backdrop that allows other elements in the room to shine. Transition to footage of chairs with pattern and texture cushion sets. For those who crave texture and visual interest, patterned and textured cushions are the perfect choice. Showcase chairs with geometric, floral, and textured cushions. From geometric patterns to floral motifs to luxurious textures, these cushions add depth and dimension to your seating, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Concluding shot of a variety of chairs with different cushion sets. Whether you're a fan of bold colors, neutral tones, or intricate patterns, there's a cushion design out there to suit your style and elevate your one-seater chair to new heights of comfort and aesthetic appeal. Feel free to adjust the script to match the specific cushion colors and designs you want to feature in your video. And backrest, designed to provide optimal lumbar support. Say goodbye to backaches with this ergonomic marvel. Its curved design promotes proper posture, ensuring hours of comfortable seating. 2. The convertible genius. Footage of a wooden chair that transforms into a stepladder with a simple mechanism. From seating to reaching new heights, this chair does it all. Perfect for small spaces or multifunctional rooms, it's a true space-saving solution. 3. The sustainable marvel. Footage of a chair made from reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials. Embrace eco-conscious living with this chair crafted from reclaimed wood or sustainably harvested timber. Not only stylish, but also environmentally friendly. 4. The artistic statement. Footage of a chair featuring intricate wood carving or unique artistic elements. Narrator. Make a bold statement with this artistic masterpiece. Its intricate design adds a touch of elegance and personality to any space. A modular wonder. Footage of a chair designed with modular components that can be rearranged to create different seating configurations. Versatility meets creativity with this modular chair. Mix and match its components to create custom seating arrangements tailored to your needs. Closing shot, a montage of all the innovative wooden chair designs showcased in the video. From ergonomic wonders to sustainable marvels, these wooden chairs demonstrate the endless possibilities of blending creativity with craftsmanship. Which design inspired you the most? End screen. Links to the designer's website and social media channels for viewers interested in exploring or purchasing these unique wooden chair designs. You're welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring content like this. Your support means the world to us.